Hello everyone, welcome here. Top Linux commands to learn to make a profession in Linux operating system. So let's see, with the help of ChatGPT I am taking this video lecture in front of you. Here are few commands. Linux commands are essential tools interacting with the operating system. Here are few commands, basically very essential for beginners. So ls, the command ls is used to get a list of files and dictionaries in current working directory. cd, like changing a current working directory to another one. pwd is nothing but present working directory, what it is there, it will print on, like I show you in command. mkdir, it's a command to create a new directory. rm is a command for to remove file or a directory. Like a rm space file name or directory name you have to specify. cp, the command is used to copy files or directories from source to destination where you want to move the files, like a copy. mv is the move the files, like a source file is not available. So ensure that which option you need to use, either copy or move. mv. touch, this command is used to create an empty file, one or number of files as you wish to apply touch command. cat, this command is used to display contents of a file. grep, this command is used to search pattern different type of combinations you can apply by finding file or directory or path where the file is located. Ensure these commands just for basic. Many more commands that you to learn to make a proficient in Linux operating system. Yes, always practice is highly essential for Linux commands to get a grip. If you feel this lecture is helping you at any point, please do subscribe and support for more video lectures. Thank you.